Hi, this is Randy with Schulenburg Realty. If you have been waiting for a really nice home to come on the market, now's your opportunity in Sycamore, Illinois. This property has completely been reconstructed and the owners have done a fantastic job of it from outside to inside, and I am going to show you the exterior tour of this home right now. This is literally walking distance to downtown Sycamore, which is a fantastic community. So if you have not been to downtown Sycamore in a while, come and check it out. But this home has been in the process of being redone really since the end of last year, and they have spent a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of great ideas going into this property. The front porch is just beautiful. Again, everything is brand new, from the shutters to the vinyl siding to the upgraded lights. All right, there's a quick little peek of the inside, but we're going to hold this for you until we get our professional photos taken, which were done earlier today. So there's a couple entrances and exits to this home. That's the front door. Then you have the side door, which comes out, and inside of here is the laundry area. And then there's also steps that'll take you upstairs to the upper level. It's a really nice private yard with a really large 2-car plus garage. This used to be a 2-unit, but it was deconverted to a single-family home. Little spot on the back of the garage, put your canoe or kayak. Just a nice, peaceful backyard. This building behind here is actually for sale right now. It used to be a museum. It's a really neat area. And that fronts to State Street, which is the main street in Sycamore that goes downtown. Here's another little peek from the very corner of the backyard. So if you would be somebody who would be working downtown, maybe you have an office, maybe you're working in retail or have a business downtown, this would be a fantastic property to own, and would love to be able to show it to you. So the third access from the house is here onto the back patio, or back deck rather, which has all been completely redone as well. Again, really nice upgraded lighting, fantastic area just to sit back and enjoy the backyard. And this is access to the basement area if you want to come out that way. And really nice floor plan, a lot of space. A large driveway. You have a new air conditioner, new furnace. It's a really fantastic. Everything's new. So again, if you have any interest in this home, living in downtown Sycamore in a completely redone home, a 2-unit that was converted to a single-family home, let me know. You can reach me at 224-805-2616 or randy@schulenburg.com. This home will be coming on the market within a week from you seeing this video.